Looking for the best video doorbell in 2026? In this video, we review the top smart doorbells, comparing video quality, motion detection, AI features, two-way audio, night vision, installation, and overall value. Whether you want a premium wired model or a subscription-free wireless option, we've got you covered. Watch until the end to discover which doorbell offers the best security, convenience, and performance for your home this year. Number 3. The Blink Video Doorbell Plus Outdoor 4/5 camera system is a complete wireless home security solution designed to provide dependable protection with minimal maintenance. Combining Blink's second-generation video doorbell, 5 outdoor 4 cameras, and the included sync module core, this system delivers comprehensive coverage for your front door, driveway, backyard, and other key areas around your home. One of its biggest advantages is the impressive 2-year battery life. Powered by included Energizer lithium AA batteries, both the doorbell and cameras can operate for extended periods without frequent battery changes. The video doorbell offers a head-to-toe HD view, making it easy to monitor visitors and package deliveries, while the outdoor 4 cameras provide 1080p HD live video, infrared night vision, and crisp two-way audio for clear communication. The outdoor 4 cameras also feature enhanced dual-zone motion detection, delivering faster and more accurate alerts while reducing unnecessary notifications. With an optional Blink subscription plan, users can unlock advanced features such as person detection and blink moments, which automatically combine multiple motion clips into a single video. Those who prefer not to subscribe can still save and manage recorded videos locally using the sync module. Users consistently praise the system for its crystal-clear video quality, reliable wireless connection, simple installation, and excellent value for money. Whether you're securing a small home or a larger property, the Blink Video Doorbell Plus Outdoor 4 system offers dependable performance, long battery life, and flexible storage options, making it an excellent choice for modern home security. Number 2. The ANNKE 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System is a comprehensive home surveillance solution designed to provide dependable 24/7 monitoring with intelligent AI features and reliable wired performance. The kit includes an 8-channel H.265 plus DVR, 8 1080p IP67 weatherproof cameras, and a pre-installed 1 TB hard drive, making it an excellent choice for securing homes, offices, garages, or small businesses. One of the system's standout features is AI Motion Detection 2.0, which accurately distinguishes between people and vehicles while allowing customizable detection zones. This significantly reduces false alerts caused by moving trees, pets, or weather. The DVR also supports smart human and vehicle searches, making it much faster to locate important events in recorded footage. The included cameras offer smart dual light technology, automatically switching between infrared and full-color night vision when motion is detected. Black and white night vision reaches up to 100 feet, while vivid color night vision extends up to 66 feet, providing clear images even after dark. The IP67 weatherproof rating ensures reliable operation in rain, snow, heat, and cold throughout the year. H.265 plus video compression maximizes storage efficiency, allowing longer recording times without sacrificing image quality. Users consistently praise the system for its straightforward installation, sharp video quality, accurate motion detection, and dependable performance. Customer support also receives positive feedback for resolving setup issues quickly. Overall, the ANNKE 3K Lite system delivers excellent value, combining smart AI security, reliable recording, and expandable compatibility for long-term home protection. Number 1. The Eufy Security Solo Cam E42 4-Cam Kit is a premium wireless outdoor security system that combines true 4K Ultra HD video, intelligent AI features, and solar power convenience for reliable, around-the-clock home protection. With 4 cameras included, it's an excellent solution for monitoring multiple areas of your property without the hassle of frequent battery charging or monthly subscription fees. Each camera captures exceptionally sharp 4K footage, allowing you to identify faces and even recognize license plates from up to 33 feet away. The built-in AI motion detection accurately distinguishes people, vehicles, and important events while automatically tracking movement to reduce false alerts. Combined with 360 degrees pan and tilt coverage, the SoloCam E42 minimizes blind spots and keeps your home under constant watch. Powered by Solar Plus 2.0 technology, just 2 hours of direct sunlight each day is enough to keep the cameras running continuously. For added security, the system includes a motion-activated strobe light that helps deter unwanted visitors while instantly notifying you through the mobile app. Storage is another major advantage. The included Homebase 3 features 16 gigabytes of built-in storage, expandable up to 16 terabytes, allowing you to keep recordings locally without paying ongoing cloud storage fees. Users consistently praise the camera's durable, weather-resistant construction, easy installation, outstanding 4K image quality, and excellent battery performance. For homeowners seeking smart AI features, crystal clear video, and maintenance-free operation, the Eufy Security SoloCam E42 4Cam Kit is an outstanding long-term investment. Thanks for watching our Best Doorbells Review 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect smart doorbell to protect your home and simplify everyday life. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which video doorbell is your favorite or which one you're planning to buy. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.